Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the makeup of Mani. Thank you so much for coming back if you're already a subscriber, and if you're new, welcome. Come get to know me. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I just wanted to film a Valentine's Day look that was super extra because I know some people are actually single on Valentine's Day, and like, be your own Valentine. Like, self-love is the best love. Valentine's Day is always something that's special to me because I think it's so fun and beautiful to see people just loving each other. I love how the colors go, like red, pinks, and purples. So I just want to create a look with those colors in it. If you want to see how I get this beautiful look, stay tuned. Starting with my eyebrows already done and my eyelids primed and set, I'm going in with my Cute AF palette from ColourPop and blending that smoky curl color down to my outer crease. Next, taking my NYX primary colors in hot pink, I'm blending this color into my crease and upward towards the curl color. Now going into my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking that sparkly purple color and just adding it to my crease. And then I had to switch brushes and got a more defined brush, like a defined tip, and just went into a matte black so I can deepen the color because it wasn't dark enough for me. Now using a pretty light concealer, I'm going to go in and start my cut crease. Cut creases are really hard for me to do sometimes. Like, honestly, practice makes perfect. You can't always get it right. But I'll leave the details of all the products that I use in this video down below in the description box. Going back into my Cute AF ColourPop palette, I'm reaching for that smoky coral color again, and I'm going to add that to the outermost part of the cut crease and just blending it in with that dark purple. Reaching again into that palette, I'm going to take a peachy color. It's a few shades lighter than that smoke coral color if you don't have the palette. And that's just the next color I'm adding on my lid in the cut crease area. No, yellow is not a part of the Valentine's Day theme, but I just felt like it would look pretty with this eye look. And I'm taking it very lightly into the inner corner of the cut crease. I have no idea where the clip went, but I did add some white eyeshadow into the innermost part of my cut crease, and then I went ahead and primed my face with Smashbox primer water. Now I'm just adding my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation, and I always spray my brush with Mario Badescu, then I go to blend it out, and then I go in with my Real Techniques beauty blender. After concealing, I go in those places with some setting powder, and then I open my Morphe palette and choose the darkest color to contour my face, and sometimes I even mix it with the color right above. Just so I don't get any flashback, I always wipe away my setting powder with some foundation powder that's my color or darker. I decided that I wanted to brighten up the look just a little, so I'm going in with my NYX Wonder Pencil and just lining my waterline with this nude color. Going back into that purple and black, I'm going to smudge out my lower lash line right below that nude waterline color. Then I'm going to grab that smoky curl again and put it on a blending brush and just bring it underneath that purple color so that they don't mix, because that's not what we want them to do. And then I'm going to take another smudge brush and just grab that peach color and put it below the two colors. After applying mascara, I also went in with some black liner on the top and applied my favorite lashes in the style Strip Down. Here, I'm just going to add this color to make my inner corner pop, and it kind of looks white, so it goes with the white eyeshadow that I already applied.
What you waiting for? I'm riding around in my girl's eye. What you waiting?
Highlighting, I think, is everybody's favorite part of makeup, but this fan brush did nothing for this highlighter. I needed a more dense brush to like really make it glow.
I don't need your drama, I don't need you to survive. You don't got to say it, cause I know that you don't like me. You and all your friends can open wide, go on and fight me. I know I'm some shit, and I'm cool with it. You can't tell me shit, don't come and show your dialect. Ride around your city like the cops now, cause there's no way that we're gonna stop now.
Lately, this has been like my favorite nude lip combo, and Aaliyah J loves this lip gloss, so I had to get it. But can we just talk about Glam Glizzy for a second? Like, the sparkles in her lip gloss make this so worth buying. I wear it every day.
I'm riding around in my car's low. Feel like I hit the lotto. I'm riding around in my girl's eye.
No matter what setting spray I use, I just have to spray my face with Mario Badescu first. I just feel like it pulls my whole look together and it just blends the colors. Like, everything just sets so well. And then I always have to use Urban Decay De-Slick. Like, I'm an oily girl, so I need it.
You didn't know that I was my own hustler. Baby, understand, I don't need a man.
Okay guys, that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. I felt like it was pretty simple. If you felt like it wasn't, comment below and say, Monty, that was not simple. Let me know. I enjoy the feedback. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, and if you recreated this look, tag me on Instagram. You can find all my social media down below in the description box. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.